everyone! Today we're going to be making an inflatable glove out of a chemical reaction. So the supplies you'll need is a jar, a glove or balloon, some baking soda, and some vinegar. So the first step is to take your glove and balloon, open it up, and put some baking soda in. Now that you have the baking soda in, you can just set that aside and grab your vinegar. So what you're going to do, take your vinegar, open it up, and put it in your jar. Now that we got the vinegar, we're going to put the glove or balloon around here. Careful not to put any baking soda in. Now make sure that the glove or balloon is tightly around so it doesn't all overflow. So now, here comes the fun part. What we're going to do is flip this over, and then we'll have a chemical reaction occurring that will cause this to inflate. 3, 2, 1. Here it goes. We're going. Let's get some more baking soda in there. And there we go. Our glove's inflating. Look how it's blowing up. This is all from the chemical reaction of the baking soda and the vinegar. It's creating, oh, and there we go even more. Gonna hold this down to make sure it doesn't explode. That's something you're gonna wanna do, and which is also why you wanna make sure that it's on there nice and tight. So now let's wait for the chemical reaction to die down a little bit. And there we go. We just inflated this glove or balloon through science. Boom. Okay, try this out at home. Just make sure to have parents' help and permission, and have so much fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun experiments like this. Thanks, bye!